FootJelly. Dr. Spaulding's FootJelly. The extra hand in foot care. Video 4, FootJelly Cleaning and Disinfection.
As you know, in my training courses, I'm all about disinfection and sterilization. And you can see how much material came off of my feet right here. And all of this has got to go, plus it's got to get disinfected. And you won't believe how easy it is to clean this up. We just turn on the warm water and we just roll this product around in here. And this is just taking off the gross material. And what you do is you just use a little soap and water after we get a little soap and water, or you can use an enzymatic cleaner right here. This product here is an enzymatic cleaner that we use for cleaning our instruments before we end up autoclaving them. And you can either use a sponge, or I'm just going to show you with my hands how smooth this is. When you run your hands through this material, it's very, very smooth. Now, you want to obviously clean up around here with a little sponge, and then we just wash that away. We still haven't done anything to disinfect. We're just trying to get rid of all the lint, anything that would be a concern as far as your whatever you've been walking around in during the day. And once you get this just washed away, generally washed away, you take something strong like hypochlorous acid and you simply just squirt it in there and leave it for about 10 minutes. And that's one way that you can take care of this. And just make sure you get it all around the country. And hypochlorous acid is our go-to material now for disinfection and for antiseptic use. We use it even on wounds. It is one of the best agents out there, and it will absolutely take care of any kind of spore, bacteria, virus, and fungi that you're going to run across, either in podiatry or in a nail salon. So again, this is an easy way to do it. You can either pour this off, or people can put their feet right in it, because hypochlorous acid is skin safe. In fact, hypochlorous acid, it actually smells a little bit like bleach, but when you put it on you, it doesn't hurt your clothing. And more importantly, you can actually wash your face with it around your eye orbits, and it's not dangerous to your mucous membranes, but yet it's killing everything. It has an odor kind of like a little pool water with a little bleach in it, but it's extremely safe. Anyway, that's how you can take care of this and keep yourself clean. You know, you'll see on Amazon and all the Alibaba sites, you can get silicone socks for $1.50. Amazon's selling the silicone socks and little jelly feet for $19.95. But I want to show you the big difference between those products and my product. This is what 2 inches of high-grade medical silicone looks like. And this is what gives you that phenomenal resistance, as well as cushion effect, as well as that squishy factor that makes this product so pleasurable.